In this video, I'm going to answer a question whether the printer can store the settings when you don't have the micro SD card in your printer. So first, I'm going to remove the micro SD card here. Then we will turn the printer on. By the way, this is the Ender 3, and I believe this will apply for any Ender 3 model. Their other printers might be different. Now let's go check the settings. So for example, let's take control and let's go under the bed leveling and the prob Z offset. So you can see it's a 0, 0. Now I'm going to change this to 0.3 just for demo purposes. I'm going to save this. In here, you can see that if I go back to the prob Z offset, it is saved as long as the printer is on and I don't have the micro SD card. It will store the setting for as long as I keep it on. But if I restart the printer, so I'm going to turn the printer off and I'm going to wait a couple of seconds here and turn the printer back on. Now we will check and the setting will be lost. So if I go to control under bed leveling and the prob Z, so you can see that the setting has been cleared out because I just restarted the printer. So it will retain your settings as long as the printer is on, even if you save the settings. So for example, if I change the settings here 2.2 and then store settings, you can see the store settings selection here. If I click it, and here I'm storing the setting, so I did store the setting. You don't hear the beep because the beep is broken on this screen on my printer, but I store the setting, and you can see here that if I go back to the prob Z, it is 0.2 as I did save it. So now let me just turn off the printer one more time, and then I will turn it on again just to show you that the setting will still be lost even after we store the settings. So now let's go to prepare, control, and bed leveling. Here's the prob Z. You can see it's cleared out even if I store the settings. So the only way to retain the settings on the Ender 3 model is by keeping that micro SD card in. So I'm going to turn it off and I will put in the SD card one more time in there. Now, if I turn it on, it'll read the stored setting that I have on my micro SD card. So you can see here, if I go to control, same place here, you can see my setting is back and it's stored because it's stored on the micro SD card. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.